Hey y'all, it's Jedimanda here, and I'm tired. I'm tired of working on what I'm working on. I'm tired of pushing myself through something when I need a break. And I think it's just time for me to take a break away from something. And when it's time for a break, I tend to like to DIY certain things. Since it's summertime, let's make some DIY crop tops. First things first, get some inspiration. Go on Pinterest, make a style board, look at other crop tops you want to try to make. And that's exactly what I did. I took some crop top ideas that I found on Pinterest and sketched them out and decided to make my own with my own t-shirts in my closet that I never wear. The first look I want to show you is not necessarily a crop top, but more a summer sweatshirt. Yes, I took a cool sweatshirt that I kind of wear, not really, it's a little small, and decided to chop it up to where I could wear it in the summer because fleece in the summer is just too hot. So I decided to chop it up in a cool, edgy, fashion-y way. And all you'll need to do these crop tops are scissors and chalk and usually a ruler. So as you can see, what I did here is that I just basically cut some slits in the sleeves, took out the neck, and then took out the waistband around the bottom edge of the sweatshirt and chopped off the wrist band thingy area at the end of the sleeves. Stretched it to get that edgier, worn out look, and basically that's it. These crop tops that I'm going to be showing you guys are super simple to make, and feel free to use my designs to make your own. I just had some fun and needed to do something else away from what I was working on, which is currently my Doctor Strange cosplay. So right now I'm just going ahead and stretching out those edges, making sure it looks awesome. Moving on to the next one. The next one is a good old-fashioned crop top, which is just your basic crop top. Decide where you want your slit and basically draw your edge and cut your line. Now with this one I did leave a little longer in the back, kind of like a mullet crop top. Just wanted a different style than your average chop and go. This one looked pretty awesome. I like this one. The next shirt I have is a Star Wars shirt, duh. So this one, we're doing a side tie crop. Actually, no, I'm sorry. Tie crop. It's in the front. The next one's on the side. Pretty simple. Cut off the excess. Now cut about a 4-inch, 5-inch slit directly up the front of the crop top. And then it kind of looks like a bikini. It's a weird line that goes from your center front to your sides, curving in so you allow those extra tie bits so you don't have to cut those off, and so you can end up tying it into your front. Follow your lines and chop, chop, chop. Super simple. And then tie it up in the front. I loved the way this looked. And then I ended up just cutting off the little hem on the sleeves just to give it a little more edgy look. Stretch, 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 and you're done! Your tie crop is done. This next fancy one is called the stair step crop. It's exactly what it looks like. It's cropped, but on the back I cut a bunch of slits in a stair step look to open up the back and give it a little breeze in that bag. Right? Nice and airy for the summer. I ended up using this shirt that I've never worn before. My parents like to buy me fun t-shirts when they go on vacation, and they end up being really wacky. And so this one was one of those really wacky ones. I thought it would be a good one to try this crop look on, and it ended up being pretty awesome. It's a Hemingway cat shirt. How random is that? But a cool crop. Now is another Star Wars crop, of course, right? This one is the side tie crop, right? Awesome. Moving along, doing the exact same thing we did with the other Star Wars crop, pulling an area on the side where you are going to want to have your tie. Take your chalk, mark that little bikini shape area up to the line where you want your actually crop top to be, and simply snip along. Now I did add some different looks to this one. I ended up chopping off the sleeves and then cutting what it looks like on Pinterest. It's called the choker tie, or I'm sorry, the choker shirt. Basically just cutting a triangle along the bottom edge of the neck, exactly what I'm doing right here, and cutting a triangle out, and it kind of looks like you're wearing a choker along with your shirt, but it's attached to the shirt, so it's like you have an extra added bit of jewelry to your shirt. How fancy, right? I know, super fancy. Don't forget to pull those edges, and I hope you guys really enjoyed these 5 crop top ideas for your summer fashion. Now go into your closet and grab some stuff you never wear and some scissors and just chop it up and have fun. Be creative. Get away from your other project you're working right now. Open your mind up a little bit. Have some fun and tag me in social media if you guys use any of my crop tops. I'd love to see. So this one is definitely my favorite. Obviously, Star Wars. And I just really like the cut and the little thing at the front and the long area in the back. It's kind of like a mullet. Thanks for watching this random video from me. And like I said in the beginning, don't ever feel like you have to be doing something at any certain time. If you get bored with something, if you hit a creative wall, if you've had enough with what you're doing, stop, breathe, and start something else. Or don't even do anything. Just be aware, working on projects as massive as cosplays can get really tiring sometimes. And please recognize that your mental health is more important than this, you know. I mean, even though that cloak is amazing, still, this is worth it a little bit more. In the meantime, make some DIY crop tops. If you like more of these random fashion videos or any of my other videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. There are way more videos coming for the year 2018. I can't wait to show you guys. Also, don't forget to click that little bell that's next to the subscribe button below so you get notified when I post a video. Alright guys, may the force be with you, and I'll see you later.